Canva Pro for free. Yes, it's possible. Open your browser and type bingopingo.com. Then wait for it to load. Click on Informative and scroll down to Best Social Media Platforms. Click on it and scroll down to where you'll see Free Guide. Wait for the countdown to finish. Then click on Download. Wait for it to load. Then click on Get Here and wait for Canva to load. Congratulations on being added to a Canva Pro team. You're now able to use Canva Pro features for free. If it doesn't work for you, please try again at mid-afternoon or midnight. Like and subscribe for more free tutorials, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs it. Leave a comment below with your questions or feedback, and check out our next video for more tips. Thank you.